Hey everybody, welcome back. And today I have an unboxing for you. As most of you know that have watched any of these videos, I have a slight obsession with Mickey and Minnie ears, being a Disney planner. So we are about to take another trip down to Disney, and it's just kind of my thing. I always try to get one pair of new ears before we go. And I went back to an Etsy shop that I've bought from before, Melissa with Lost in Neverland ears. If you've seen any of the previous videos, you saw her Chewbacca ears that I absolutely loved. And so I wanted to work with Melissa again. So I contacted her about some Mickey ears, and she has delivered. And when I say she's delivered, I'm talking about just in a few days. So she knew we planned a last minute trip, and she worked so well with me trying to get these to me, the ones that I wanted. So I'm super excited. As always, sucker for packaging. How cute is that? Let's open these up. Again, if you are in the market for Mickey or Minnie ears and you're looking for quality products and a company that's just gonna deliver and work really well with you, I 5-star recommend Melissa at Lost in Neverland ears. Let's see here. Cute little packaging. She's got her fun little business card there. I'll zoom in on that. And my purchase for this trip was some classic Mickey ears. So, little fancy classic Mickey ears. You see those there. Hopefully we'll get some close-ups of those. It's got just a classic Mickey look, but it's all done in sequins, so it's a little extra. And I did not realize that they came like this. This may have been a special order. On the back is a nice little fun surprise. Look at that. See you real soon. So I will tell you, I already know the quality is exceptional. Like, she does such a good job. She does the banding on the inside. Everything is sewn in, so it's not glued in. Like, these are just top-notch ears. They're never too big, too small. They are just right. So cute. So I can't wait to rock these at our Disney trip this coming weekend as we go to check out Disney on its opening week.